This is the fastest way to grow your trading account this year. What you want to do is open up a list of futures that have options available to trade on them. Copy this watch list if your broker doesn't natively display it for you. If you have a smaller account, stick to things like currencies and bonds, soybeans, etc. If you have a larger account, feel free to trade anything you like. Make sure you have your watch list ordered from high to low IVR. And we're only going to be interested in trading things with an IV rank of at least 30. So we're going to have a look at ZC today with the IV rank of 68.6. And you want to next pick an expiration date. The one that we want to pick needs to be between 30 and 60 days out in time. So we could choose from either of these two here, but we're going to go with April 25th for this example. And now we can see the options chain. Very, very simply, you want to sell one call, sell one put, and you want to sell them between 15 and 20 deltas. So on the call side here, we have an 18 delta at the 495 strike. On the put side, we have a 16 delta at the 430 strike. And as you can see now, we've created a range for ourselves that we want price to stay within. Our pop is looking a bit funky here, but a more accurate way of seeing your probability of success is by looking at your deltas. So we have a 20 delta on this side, or a 19 delta on this side, 16 delta on that side. So we're looking at about a 70% win rate here, because both of these deltas added together, you do one minus both of these deltas added together to get your win rate. That's if you hold to expiration. However, you can get out of, say, 50% of max profit, and your win rate is going to be boosted by about another 10 to 15%. So you are looking at about an 80-85% win rate on this trade if you get out 50% of max profit. You would collect $312 upfront on this trade, and your broker is going to require just over 800 or just under 900, sorry, in buying power. So as you can see, we're getting a pretty healthy return on capital here. If you want to increase your return on capital, you can be more aggressive with your deltas. And now we're close to the 30 delta mark. Now we're going to collect $600, and we're going to put up 1,000. So as you can see, our return is increasing. If you want to increase your probability of profit, you can go way more conservative on your deltas. For example, like this, your probability of profit is going to shoot up. However, your return will drop. So this is basically what you want to do. I like to be around the 15 to 20 delta mark, but you can manipulate it to however you think would work best for your account. Keep your buying power in check. That's very important. And the way you do that is by using this position sizing template. There'll be a link in the description. Just click on the free position sizing template button, and it will take you over to this. And the way it works is you enter in the size of your portfolio. Say if it was 20,000, and then you can enter in whatever the VIX level is. Say if it was 26.7, and then everything is going to be calculated for you. All you need to do is use this information to form the backbone of your portfolio, and you'll be absolutely fine. If you would like to learn in more detail about what we do and how we do it, click on EDS Premium, get yourself signed up. Once you are inside, you will have access to one of our portfolios that will allow you to see all the positions that we place, all the adjustments that we make, everything in real time. There's also a full course, so no prior knowledge is required. We will teach you everything you need to know. It's a private community, so you can speak with myself or other like-minded individuals if you get stuck. There's a 100% money-back guarantee as well. So after 6 months, once you've been through the course and followed some of our trades, if you're not profitable, we will work with you for free until you are, or you can request a full refund. So there's no risk to you. It's $9.99 a month to join. The price will be increasing, but once you're in, the price is locked in for life. And the aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill, not keep you dependent on us. And it'll take about 6 to 12 months to get you to the point of where you are completely self-sufficient. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.